Welcome back, friends. In this video, we are going to talk on the hotel owners who are looking for fixed income. Most of the hotel owners, they are comfortable in giving the properties only on rent. Now, there has always been a friction between the hotel owners who opt for fixed rent and the operators who basically look at a management contract. This is a very, very important and vital topic for all of us to understand. We need to first and foremost understand the mindset of the owner, hotel owner, or the developer is to get a fixed lease on their project square feet wise. The developers, whenever they do their working, they look at whatever square feet multiplied by whatever rate gives you the rental income. But when it comes to the hotel operators, it never works that way, because if you start working on the square feet and start giving rent to the hotel owners, most of the time half of your property is utilized in the facilities and non-revenue making areas are also calculated in this. Point number one. Point number two, your revenue earning areas are rooms and F&B outlets. Most of the property is servicing the front of the house area. The most of the property is on the back of the house area, which is servicing the front of the house area. So working on the fixed rental or fixed square feet wise, it never works. Point number two is important factor. Hoteliers, when they do their workings, they will never get the viability if they look at giving the rent on the fixed square feet area. There is a huge friction between this. That's the reason the professional operators, you will find none of the professional operators across the world get into this model. Who are the ones? Which are the ones? Who are the ones who look at getting into such model? The typical businessmen who run lodges. There's a particular community. It won't be right for me to name that community on the video, but there's a special community which looks at taking the hotels on rent, using the hotel only for their business purpose or whatever XYZ purpose. I hope I'm passing on the message. And they earn the income. The concentration is to give the fixed rent to the owner, and the owner's concentration is to take the rent month-wise. Eventually, it is the owner who is going to suffer after whatever 3 years, 5 years, 7 years. Once your lease gets over, your property is completely ruined up. Whatever deposit you have taken, nothing is going to work out. You will have to spend more than 5 times to 10 times on your property to get it uplifted once again, or refurbishment cost will be very, very high. So my dear friends, associate with the right brand, get into the management contract model, or could be a revenue share model on mutual understanding. Don't only opt for rent, it is your loss. I mean, it is the owner's loss. Most of the owners don't understand this, and their mindsets are so strong, it is completely blocked. They will never listen to I want fixed rent monthly. Simple. So if this is your mindset, think over it and maybe things will work for you. Associate with the right brand. Your property will be maintained. You will get a right brand image. You will have a good resale value if you want to sell the property. There are good pluses in this. So my dear friends, I am winding up with this. I am Shailesh Fulsange, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988, Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Eleanor Perry Private Limited. If you like my video, say like, subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. Lot of micro videos are available on my YouTube. Please take advantage of that and share them with your colleagues so that all of us learn together. Any of the hotel owners who would love to talk to me, kindly put your message down below. I am willing to give a free call or free 15 minutes discussion on a Zoom call to advise you, and if you think we can take the business ahead. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.